Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Exam Booty's YouTube platform. I am Suchit Sharma and I welcome all of you to this SSC CGL English special classes. Friends, we discussed basic concepts of noun and in that segment we discussed proper noun, common noun, and after that we started uh, talking about collective noun. In today's session, we will discuss abstract noun. Actually, abstract noun, students find it more difficult than all the other nouns to identify because they are not able to understand actual concept of abstract noun. Most of the time they find themselves getting confused between words when they are asked to find or identify abstract noun among some other words, especially when not only noun but some other words are given in between them, and it is very difficult for them to just pick one or two of them which is actually other than abstract noun. Now we will find out how abstract noun can be identified and what abstract noun actually is. Let's discuss in today's class all about abstract nouns. Friends, we also know that abstract nouns are also known as intangible noun. You may call them intangible. So whether you say abstract noun or you say intangible noun, both are the same things. There is no difference between these two terms. These two terms are equally same and equally important for you. Most of the time these words are asked in word power department. You are asked to tell synonym or antonym of a particular word. There the words also gets importance. So whenever you are asked a synonym or antonym of tangible, you have just in your mind these two words, and along with these two more words like concrete noun and tangible noun. It means concrete is just opposite of abstract, and you may call concrete or tangible noun. That's what we have also learned a few days back. When we say that some nouns are concrete, it means they must be either proper noun or common noun or collective noun or material noun, must be one of the four of the nouns I just mentioned. But when you leave the concrete noun, all the noun rest is known as abstract noun, and we know abstract noun as intangible noun. So you may call it abstract noun or intangible noun, both are the same thing, and the same concept is applicable to both of the names. Let's discuss how and how easily can be identified and an abstract noun when given in a sentence or given just randomly. So abstract noun, why we get confused and why we face the problem, let us talk about that. When we have the problem, then we can work on the solution as well, and then the solution really going to matters to you. Otherwise you are not going to understand what actually the concept is all about. So when you go to the definition, you will find that the quality or state, if a noun is telling or denoting a quality and a state of something, it means that quality or that state is known as abstract noun. A noun that denotes the quality or state of a person, place, or thing is known as an abstract noun. We all know the definition, we have learned the definition, but still we are not able to identify it. Why? Because there are some words that confuses most of the students, and the word is quality. Because when you study or when you learn the definition of adjective, the same problem stands there as well. What is an adjective? You find that a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun is known as or is called an adjective. Here the same quality is regarded as an adjective. Here the quality in the first definition of a noun or abstract noun, it is regarded as an abstract noun or intangible noun. So there is a confusion because in both the definition, quality is actually the same. The word which qualifies a noun or pronoun, it means the word that is telling the quality of a noun or a pronoun is known as an adjective. And the word here in the definition of abstract noun, the word is the same, quality. Then what is the difference? So listen very carefully. The quality that is found within a person or place or thing is known as an abstract noun. Remember this. I am going to write it for you. The quality that is found within a person, a place, a thing is known as abstract noun. And because of the quality the term with which the person the place and the thing is called adjective. Now you have to understand this very, very carefully. Now I have written this trick, this short trick, you may call it, or the way how to identify an abstract noun without getting confused and mistaken it for an adjective, because most of the time you will get confused. You are not going to identify an abstract noun very correctly. You will get confused if I give you just two terms like important and importance, like present and presence, like absent and absence, like kind and kindness. Now you will get confused which one is a noun and which one is an adjective. It will confuse you. Bravery or brave, courage or courageous, which one is noun and which one is adjective. You are not going to identify very easily. Remember this. Because if I give you 5 nouns, all nouns are different types of nouns, then you can identify an abstract noun very easily, because all the remaining four words are from different nouns, and those nouns are actually very easy to understand. So you can very easily identify a noun when given 4 different nouns, and an abstract noun is just mixed up with those 4 words, and there are 5 words, and one of them is an abstract noun, and you can easily find the 5th one, or the one that is an abstract noun. So it is very easy. But when I mix up an abstract noun with adjectives, you are not going to identify the abstract noun so easily as you are with the nouns. That is the difference between identifying nature and the group with whom the question is given. That's why it is important to understand the basic and conceptual difference between an adjective and an abstract noun. That's why we are here, and that's why we are talking. So whenever we are talking about a quality that is within a person or within a thing or within a place, if we are talking about a quality that is within a person, within a place, or within a thing, it means the quality is an abstract noun. And because of the quality, what we call the person, what we call the thing, what we call the place is actually an adjective. This is the difference. Like, let's take some example on the ground level to understand this concept. Like, I am writing some words. Like, I have written some words on the board, you can see it very clearly. Like bravery, brave, courage, courageous, hunger, hungry, thirsty, thirst, anger, and angry. Now, if you don't know the concept I just mentioned and I just told you, if you have no idea about this concept and you are a beginner, first of all, you are a beginner, and you do not have so much command of English, and you are just a novice, then you will make a mistake here. If you knew the word beforehand, if you know their parts of speech, if you know the meaning in Hindi and English as well, if you know everything, it is not difficult for you. You will identify them very easily. But if you are a beginner, then you will get confused. Remember, my dear friend, I have told you all these things. If I haven't told you anything about it, and if I have given you some 20 odds word mixing 18 adjectives in just 2 abstract nouns, you are not going to identify those 2 abstract nouns correctly. That's the challenge. That's my belief. I have given so many times in the classrooms to students, and what I have found that they always make mistake. So because I have mentioned all those things, it may seem easy to you now. Otherwise, it is not as easy as you think it is your cup of tea. No, it is not your cup of tea. It is not not a piece of cake for you. You will make a mistake otherwise if you have no idea about the concept. So let's talk about the concept and apply the concept on these words like bravery and brave. Like bravery and brave. Now think that which one of them will be in you, within you. What will be in you? Which quality will be within you? Bravery or brave? What will be inside you? You will have bravery or you will have brave in you? What will be in you? Think about it. And when you think about it, you will find that you will have bravery inside. Yes, you have bravery inside. And if you have bravery inside, people will call you brave. Yes, that's right. If you have bravery, people call you brave. Now what will be within? This quality will be within you. It will be within you. Now, if this quality is within you, it means this is an abstract noun. And what people call you? What people call you? People will call you is an adjective. So, you will have bravery and people will call you brave. This is the thing. Now, courage and courageous. Courage and courageous. There are two terms and just think about them as well. What will be within you? Brave or bravery? We have discussed. Now, what will be within you? Courage or courageous? What will be within you? May it be courage within you or it is courageous? What will be in you? Yes, that's right. You will have courage. Yes, you will have courage. Within you will be courage and then people will call you courageous. It means that are the qualities that will be within you. So those qualities that is within a person, place or thing is regarded as abstract noun. So these will be abstract noun and now people will call you brave, people will call you courageous. So brave and courageous, it will be an adjective. Now similarly there are two more words, hunger and hungry. Hunger and hungry. Now think about that. Think about these two words, hunger. You will have hungry inside you or you will have hunger inside you. What will be inside you? What will be within you? What will be within you? What will be inside you? Hunger or hungry? Now the answer will be, sir, there will be hunger inside me. Of course, there will be hunger inside me. That's why people will call me hungry. If I have hunger, it means I am hungry. If I have hunger, I am hungry. If I have hunger within myself, people will call me hungry. I will call myself hungry. So it means hunger that will be inside you is an abstract noun. And what people will call you or you will call yourself is hungry. So hungry is an adjective. Let's take two more words, thirsty and thirst. Now, what do you see? Thirsty and thirst. What will be inside you? What will be within you? Now you will say that, sir, thirst will be within me. Thirst will be inside me. If the thirst is within me, I am thirsty. Yes, you are right. If the thirst is within you, people will call you thirsty, or you yourself may call you thirsty. That's right. It means you will have thirst. And then people will call you thirsty. So, thirst is an abstract noun and thirsty is an adjective. Let's take two more words like anger and angry. And similarly, you are now able to identify an abstract noun and an adjective. Now there is no confusion. Now you know that anger is actually within us. If we have anger, we will be called angry. So angry will be an adjective and anger will be an abstract noun. So you can easily separate adjective and abstract noun. There is no confusion now. So this is the concept. This is the most important one, to identify an adjective and an abstract noun as well. This is the concept of the day. That's it for today. We will meet tomorrow with another concept. Till then, goodbye and take care.